Hi everybody, Tom here from Blueprint. Just going to be starting here a little late. Apologies for the lateness on today's stream. Just working out some issues with actually getting going here. Some local computer issues, but they seem to be resolved now. So we're going to start and just kind of go through, and I'm going to demo quickly some mobile inspections. So the mobile inspections tool is actually one of our newer tools here, and it goes through and allows users out in the field to submit inspections while they are kind of working remotely. So they can load this up in their smartphones or their tablets and have access to a quick tool to actually load up their inspections. So I'm just going to quickly resize the screen to show you what that looks like as well. Let me close my task manager. It's from when my computer was struggling to load up the streaming software. And you'll see that even on smaller screens and smaller resolutions, everything is responsive and kind of will shrink to size. So it's very easy to have this going on a tablet or on a phone. And what you're going to see when you log in to the inspections dashboard is the ability to look through all of your lots that are pending inspection. So that's the current active filters that you have going. You can filter down to specific communities as well if you wanted to, which allows you to quickly jump to a more accurate representation of where you currently are in the city. And you as well can jump to those lots specifically on your map by clicking the pin buttons here. So if I were to click one of those pin buttons, it's going to show me my current location. It's a lot more helpful if you are actually in the field. I'm going to jump over to our test here. So none of this information is live. This is all just demo information that I am showing. And let's go with Oak Bluff West, for instance. So by default, when you're looking at the mobile inspection dashboard, what you're looking at is the final inspection statuses. So not applicable, they're not actually applicable for that inspection. Inspections are pending, so they've actually already been queued up. Requested is the builder's gone in and requested that inspection be carried out by the land developer. Failed, did not meet the requirements in terms of the house, the plot, the landscaping, etc. Passed. And also failed but complete. This is a custom status that allows for essentially inspections that have failed but they won't be redone. The builder has accepted responsibility, liability for the failed inspection, and it will not be redone. So that's what that the filter in the top left allows you to see. And of course you can see which ones here have been requested, the two bright yellow ones. And that's going to correspond to the lots that are actually in your list view as well. Clicking the top right here is going to just allow you to jump to your home screen, so where you actually have your list of all those lots that are pending. You can jump to the full LotWorks system view as well, and you can log out. In addition, if you wanted to, you can filter your search down to specific lots. So 42 Big Sky, for instance, you start typing, it's going to filter that right away. It's an easy way to jump to specifically where you want to in your list. And again, the map view, when you first load it up, when you click that pin icon, it's going to automatically jump to where you're physically located in the world. So hopefully that'll kind of jump you to the lots that you're going to be inspecting, and so you won't have to kind of scroll around a lot or filter your view or anything like that. It's going to be zoomed in right away so you can see those lots. So on the pending lots, it's going to kind of jump you right down to the inspection screen. What you can do from that stage is you can customize the date, of course, when you're doing that inspection. If you need to backdate it or post-date it, anything like that. For inspection statuses, you have pass, you have fail, and you have complete. So complete is that failed but complete step. So you can mouse over that question mark. It's going to let you know that this inspection failed but will not be submitted again. And fail is going to jump to and allow you to submit a failure. It's going to show you kind of, well, you're going to be able to submit why it failed. And of course, upload any images that you want and add any additional comments that you want. Submitting will submit that inspection very easily. And then of course pass, you can go through and it's going to pass that inspection with no issues, and you can add any additional comments that you wanted, but it's a nice and simple pass screen, and there you go. And again, if you want to jump back to your list of lots, you can easily just by going through here and just by clicking on the top right, clicking home, it's going to jump you to that home screen with the list of pending lots. Now, the mobile inspection app is very much intended for users in the field, so it's kind of a focused view right to lots that need to have inspections done on them. Very quick and easy to go through and submit your inspections. Take pictures right on your phone, upload them directly to the system, and once you get back to the office, they're done. No additional paperwork required, no double entering, no filling out clipboards or checkboards. It's nice and easy and ties right into the full LotWorks system. So please let me know if you have any questions on this. I'm going to leave the stream open for a few minutes just to see if there are any questions. And I'm just going to look through here and see if there's any additional functionality that can be mentioned as well. So yeah, geolocation on your pin icons. Please make sure that you do have location enabled on your browser, so it can jump you to where you are located. You might get a little pull down prompt or toggle on that. When you're going through and clicking on that pin might ask you directly in browser, or your phone may ask you, smartphone, tablet, whatever device you may be using. If you allow location finding, please do enable that, and it will allow us to quickly jump you to the point on the map where you are currently geolocated. The other thing, of course, is the bottom right here. That's going to jump you to your location. Again, if you don't have your location enabled, it's not going to be too helpful, but otherwise it'll allow you to quickly jump to your location physically in the world. And then top right, you have your standard Google Maps controls, map, satellite, and Pegman that you can drop right down to the community if you want to kind of get a sense of your bearings and where you might be in that community at the time. To exit that mode, just click back, and it's going to jump you right back to the previous view that you were looking at. And one additional thing is that recently submitted inspections can also be accessed. They'll be at your bottom of the list, and you can click on them to quickly jump to those inspections, review what the comments were, who submitted it, who requested it, all the main kind of details, even take a look at the photos and the comments. Now, that is really it for the mobile inspections. It is a very, very handy tool. Allows you to go through all the main details of inspections and do them right out in the field, again, without having to duplicate any work or and try to load up full LotWorks on your phone, which might be a bit more tricky and cumbersome and time intensive. So hope you enjoyed this tool, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, please let me know in the chat. Or also you can send a question directly to help@lotworks.ca. And again, yeah, if you liked the stream, if you want me to do more of these, please let me know as well. Leave me a like, subscribe to the video, all those standard YouTube features and functionality as well. Anyway, thank you again. That's Tom from Blueprint, and this has been a quick demonstration of the mobile inspections functionality.